like them. It sucks me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, hey, I'm Deb. Glad to have you. And if you're returning, thank you. Oh, thank you. Because, you know, we got to chat about stuff. Well, today I have Walmart's winter, what are they calling this? Beauty Space, the upgraded beauty box, and it's $19.98. And it's heavy this time. It's heavy. Yeah. It's winter 2022. And then it says V23. I don't know. Variation 23. That must be what it is. Okay, then you open the box, and this is what you get. So, let's see what we got. And in their thing, they show you, well, I don't know about on this one, because there's not that many variations. So that's what you get. So imagine, on the regular beauty box, they'll have several things there, and it'll say that's what you could have gotten. But there's not really that many here, so I bet that everybody got the same thing. But I'm not sure, because, you know, I've been wrong before. And here's a Cetaphil healing ointment, which my aunt loves this stuff. Her and my mom fight over it at Christmas. Let's see if it says the price on it, which I know Cetaphil is expensive. This is the healing balm, and it's $9.97, and it's full size, and it's $9.97, which I do like it. And I'll open it because they're used to me opening stuff and giving it to them because it stays in the family. I wouldn't open it if I was giving it to a stranger, but they are my family and they're used to it. This must be one of them. This is more like a Vaseline. I thought it was more like the lotion, but yeah, it's like a Vaseline type. So that's what it looks like. Kind of looks a little perverted, guys. Yeah, it's got like a petroleum base in it. Doesn't smell bad, which you could think if it had a petroleum base in it, it would. And then, of course, don't mean to seem ungrateful, but every Walmart box has 2 of these in it, of some sort. These are the Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier, and they're Tangerine. And I put these in my box and save them for my guy friend. He works outside, you know, and so in the summer he really likes those because they help him. Okay. You might want to forget what I said about, because, oh no, there it is. Never mind. I saw something else and I thought, well, that's not even on that list. Then we have Thayer's facial toner, and it's cucumber, but it has witch hazel in it, which I'm allergic. So I will take that to the girls over the hill, Punky and Manna, and Linda. One of them will use it. But I love the old-fashioned labels they put on theirs. And I don't know if this is full size or not. Let me check here. Yeah, this is full size, and it's $7.97. And then next we have Completely Bare, Completely Smooth, Moisturizing No Bump Shave Gel. And that's what that looks like. And this is, and it's valued at $12.79. I want to smell it. I don't really smell anything. But yeah, it's a shave gel. And it's $12.79. So you've already got your money. Plus, because this was $9 and this is $13, so you've already got over your money in these 2 items. And then you got the Liquid IV. They always put those in there. I don't know why. Then next we have, let's see, Hairatage Call It a Night Satin Pillowcase. I don't know what's the value of this. $9.54? $9.94, sorry. Yeah, I saw another girl opening this box, and she kept saying it was silk, and I knew it was satin. I prefer satin. That's the silk. I just do because, honestly, when I was a child, I used to take the ribbon part of the blankets between my fingers and toes, and we called them tickles. And yes, I got a new tickle cover for Christmas, and so that's why I like the satin. It's more soothing to me. It's, you know. And yes, I still do that. So I love a satin pillowcase, and it's good for your hair. It keeps your hair from breaking off. It's full size. Actually, it's a little large. It's so soft. I love satin. I remember in the 70s when satin baseball jackets weren't a thing. I wanted one so bad, I begged my mom to get me one. And that's why, because I wanted to feel it. Then last we have Covergirl. Oh, yeah, I told you the price of that. I wasn't sure I did. We have Covergirl. Gotta get my glasses again. See, if I wear them, I blind you, and if I don't wear them, I can't see. Okay, Covergirl Lip Plumping. Oh, Lash Plumping Mascara. So you have a full-size mascara here, and I won't open it because I got 50 million mascaras open right now. But let me see what the total value is on that. It is $9.97, and it's also full-size. So yeah, it's worth the $19.97. And they also have another one that, and sometimes they give you samples, and sometimes they give you full size in that. And it's $6.97, and that's their normal one. I kind of think they're going to phase it out and just go to this one for the $19.97. But it's always worth your money, and Walmart's is one of the best ones out there. I have to say, it always has been. Just making sure there wasn't any other papers in there. So yeah, you're getting about 50 bucks worth of products for 20 bucks. So yeah, it's good value. What did you think of that one? Hey, leave a note down below. Let us know what you'd like to see. Let us know you're here. Whatever. On this channel, we do all kinds of unboxings. On Thursdays, I try to do a Dollar General coupon scenarios, and they usually put up 3 when I do them. But I try to put them up on Thursdays. Sometimes I don't get them up till Friday, and last week I didn't get them put up at all. Because, well, I had a reverse drawing to get ready for it. So anyway, feel free to come on back and join us. Do the YouTube stuff, like, subscribe, all that. Bye.